So we got a gas stove that will not hold temperature, and it's the same issue when the oven will just not ignite at all. Let's see how it goes. So we'll bake 350, and the issue in this case is a weak igniter. You will see it's gonna start glowing, and a lot of times you're able to tell that it's glowing but not too bright, just like in this case. I'm not sure, you know, on the camera it kind of looks like it's glowing bright, but it actually doesn't. And it's easy to tell because the igniter will glow, but there will be no gas. So the way it works, that igniter is supposed to draw a certain amount of amps of electricity for the gas valve to open, and this one obviously doesn't. It just sits there and it's not doing anything. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace the igniter. So when you replace the igniter, it's highly recommended that you unplug the appliance. So in this case, the igniter has this kind of connector. The igniter that you're gonna buy does not necessarily have the same kind of connector, so we're gonna have to cut it right about here and splice the new igniter in. So there's usually 2 screws that hold it in. In this case it's 5/16. They take a lot of heat, so most of the time they're hard to come out. I might have to use a ratchet. So we got the old igniter and the new igniter. I'm gonna cut the old one right about here, and we're gonna, because we need to reuse that connector, remember, and we're gonna use this ceramic wire nuts to reattach it. And it's going to be pretty self-explanatory from there. We're just going to put the new igniter back in and we're going to test it. So I got the new igniter in, reconnected it. Gonna plug the stove back in. Now let's see how it works. I'm gonna turn the flash off so we can see it glowing. Alright. And it started glowing a lot faster than the old one. And it's glowing stronger too. A good igniter should ignite the stove, the oven, in about a minute after you turn it on. And voila! Now all I gotta do is put it back together, collect the payment, and go home.